video is going to be about an addition and subtraction strategy called get to a friendly number. When we get to a friendly number in using addition, that is the first step we work towards. So, a friendly number can be defined as any number that makes it easier to operate with. So in this case, what I'm going to do is show you what it might look like using 120 bead reckon rec. So when you use get to a friendly number and you're adding, you're going to keep one of these numbers whole, or it's going to be your start number. So if I'm getting to a friendly number, I'm going to choose a number that is very close to a number that might be friendly. So in this case, I'm going to start with 28. So I'm going to find 28 on my 120 bead reckon rec. So it's right here. And I notice that if I add 2 to 28, that's going to get me to a friendly number of 30. So what I've done so far is I've started to add my 16, but the first step I did is I added 2 of that 16. Now I still need to add 14 more because 2 and 14 make 16. So a student might be able to add 30 and 14 at one time, or they might go 30 and 10 and they know that's 40, and then 4 more is 44. So 28 plus 16 is 44. So remember, get to a friendly number, the first thing I did was keep one of those add-ins whole, and I got to a friendly number first and then added the rest. Well, let's look to see what that looks like with subtraction. So in this case, I've got 42 minus 27. We're going to start with that minuend as 42. So again, I can use this 120 bead reckon rec. I can see my tens easily, so I know that this is 42. Then I'm going to remove 27. Now the way I'm going to remove 27 is using the strategy get to a friendly number. I'm going to get to something friendly first. Well, if I know 42, I can see easily it's just 2 away from 40. So I have already removed 2 of the 27, but I still have 25 more to remove. But now I can remove those 25 because I'm at that nice 40. I can remove 10, and that's going to get me to 30. 10 more, and that's going to get me to 20. And then I just have 5 more, so there's 15. So 42 minus 27 is 15. Now let's practice this together so we can see how this looks together. 67 plus 36. We're going to use get to a friendly number. And this time, I'm going to use an open number line. So remember, you're going to keep one of these add-ins whole. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and keep 67 whole. And then I'm going to add my 36. But I'm going to add my 36 by getting to something friendly first. So 67 and 3, I know gets me to a nice friendly 70. So now all I have left to add is 33. So a student could add maybe 70 and 33 all together, or they might choose just to add 70 and 30 to get to 100, and then 3 more to get to 103. So that's an example of getting to a friendly number by addition. Let's practice with subtraction again. 93 minus 47. We're going to begin with that minuend of 93. And we're going to get to something friendly first. So you might notice that 90 is 3 away from 93 is 3 away from 90. So I'm going to remove 3 of the 47. But I still have to remove 44 more. But I'm already at 90. So if you can remove all 44, that's fine. But a lot of people might say, no, you know what? I'm going to remove 40. So do you know what 90 minus 40 is? 50. And then we just have 4 more to remove. And so that gets us to 46. So this is an example of getting to a friendly number strategy. So the first step is we get to that friendly number first, and then we either add the rest or we subtract the rest.